Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your GoDaddy cloud hosting step by step clearly. Log in to your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the My Products page. Locate the cloud hosting section. Select the hosting account you wish to upgrade. Click on the Manage button next to your selected account. In the Account Management page, find the Upgrade option. Review the available upgrade plans and features. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Review the summary of your selected plan. Confirm any additional services or features you may want. Enter your billing information if prompted. Review the total cost and payment details. Click on the Complete Purchase button to finalize your upgrade. Wait for the confirmation email from GoDaddy. Check the resources available in your upgraded plan. Start using your enhanced hosting environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.